Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the new safe area layout guide for native macOS with macOS Tahoe. So here you can see this is the new thing called layout guide. Now here I'm displaying a simple button, but it is around the rounded edges corner. Okay, so suppose if I just let's try to make this a 0. Let's see. So typically this is a new thing, like it is kind of like a replacement for safe area layout guide. So this is just a layout guide thing which Apple has introduced, and here you can change it like corner adaptation to horizontal. I'll show you the code in a bit but basically the use of this is in case if you want to avoid the rounded corners which are present, you can use this particular thing called layout guide. That's all there is to it. So I've just created a native macOS application. I'm using Appkit. So this API is available for Appkit as far as I know. I'm not sure about Swift UI. So here you can see first I have commented this code out. So here I have imported Cocoa. I'll come back to this commented code as well in a bit. So just import Cocoa, and here you can see inside view did load. I have just created one NS view, that's it. Then I have created one NS text field. Then I have added this label of NS text field to our status view, which is the NS view. Then I have added the status view to our parent view as well. Then here's some NS layout constraints for our view, and here you can see I'm using this this layout guide. So you have to use view.layout guide, and here you need to pass safe area, and here you can change the corner adaptation to whatever you feel like, and then we get the safe layout region guide, right? Then while assigning the constraints of our status view, we assign the trailing as well as the bottom one to the safe area layout guide. So this is the important thing. Okay, so the trailing and to the bottom of the safe area layout guide. And here I have just set the width and height to this. That's all there is to it. You need to know. In case if you are using the previous older approach, like let me just show you that as well. So I'll just comment this one out. Okay, and I'll just uncomment this one. And it is more or less the same. I'll just make this as 0 as well. Let's see. I'll just rerun the application, and here you can see again it is an NS view controller. Here we have taken an NS view. Here is our NS text field. We add it label to our status view, add the status view to our parent view. Here again, here you can see, but it is like from what I can see, it is not respecting the corners. Like from macOS Tahoe you get the corners. That's what I'm talking about. And here you can see I'm using the safe area layout guide. So this is how you get the output when you are using the safe area layout guide. Maybe the safe area layout guide is the thing which you need, but it is not deprecated, but Apple recommends you to use this view.layout guide. So it's up to you what you want to use. Again, I'll just comment this one out because from now on I want to use this particular approach. So again, like I said, it's up to you. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.